Enjoy a cool and comfortable ride with FH Group's premium fabric seat covers. These stylish covers are made of 3D air mesh and corduroy blend, designed to not only impress, but to also protect your upholstery from everyday wear and tear. The 3D air mesh fabric is made with advanced stitching in the center panel, allowing the material to stretch and breathe. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, including center console and cup holders. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats, and a mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. This full seat cover set can accommodate traditional heated or cooled seats. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. And the bucket seat features a slip pocket at the back to keep personal items within an arm's reach. Enjoy the stylish yet practical benefits of your premium fabric seat covers with 3D air mesh design. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bench cover, and headrest covers. Choose from 3 standard shades and personalize your ride today.